this adventure. Oh, it's raining out. Oh, I didn't know it was raining. Anyway, it's 76 Fahrenheit, 24.4 Celsius, I think. And I knew we were supposed to get some rain coming in late, but I look at the roses here, there's nothing right there. Earlier, I noticed on this red one, though, we got some buds coming up right here. See little buds? Yeah. Come on, I didn't know it was going to rain. We finished the rest of the pizza though from yesterday. I made the dog food today too. Pork dog food. I got to do the chicken tomorrow. Oh, it's not one thing's another. Rain's been pretty good though. Come on, let's go this way, Barkley. I didn't wear a coat or nothing. I'm in short sleeve. It's a light rain. I don't have to water my garden. Come on, Lucy. You better do something tonight. This is your last walk tomorrow. If I knew it was raining, I put your raincoat on. But anyway. Camera's getting wet. I'm getting wet. Doggy's getting wet. Yeah. Ain't too many leaves on these trees yet. That stops the rain. It slows it down a little bit. I don't think you're going to use it, Lucy. You gonna do anything? The mom getting wet. Do something, Lucy. It's gonna be wet everywhere. Go ahead and pee, Lucy. It's your last walk. Okay, I guess you don't have to use it. You better not use it tonight in the house. I'll get mad, you know that. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. I ain't touching you guys. You're done shaking. This metal part hurts my hand when you hit me with it. Thanks for watching, folks. Till next time, later.